strategically, and the feedback that I've been receiving all through today is very excited about the direction of the bank. Of course, we understand that the people who are directly affected by this will be concerned, and of course we are going to treat them with care and respect.
And the numbers affected are
He
mounting
is
up.
so interested in that. I have not seen him as interested in that as anything.
Investment arm, bringing total job losses across the bank by 2016 to 19,000. That's a loss of 14% of its entire workforce. Shareholders have
Weird. Why
demanded
is he so
change. At
interested?
Barclays' annual general meeting last month, the increased bonuses that are paid top staff were rejected by many. Bonuses have been a poisonous topic for Barclays. Do you hope that this will clear it off once and for all?
I do think that this
Don't
positioning
be
of
mean.
Barclays as a focused international bank is the right one. I think it
Isn't
addresses
it?
the concerns of our shareholders and it will
Binky.
address the concerns of broader society around compensation.
Today's news is all about the big mandate, changing direction of Barclays global operations. How its branch network in Britain will shape to meet a radically changing climate. Richard Ecker, ITV News, London.
Defence Secretary Phil Hammond has ordered a radical rethink on women serving in combat roles. He said he wants every position in the British Army to be open to all.
Nose out.
Is live outside the Ministry of Defence tonight. Potentially historic, certainly significant, maybe.
It's very significant indeed. In recent years, women have risen up through the ranks in all three main armed services. There's a woman who's now in command of a Royal Navy ship, and only this week 3 women became submariners.
Says keep your face and eyes away from the money motors, but it's the same thing about cats.
Into active combat.
It says keep clear of like pets and stuff in there.